Hello to all my friends out there. So, okay, here is, well, let me show you. There is my bread that I made to make a bread bowl. So I have some iced tea. I save my iced tea. I save it all in a cup or a glass, and then, you know, I'll drink it eventually. So tea is, that's probably 5 cents worth of tea, if that. And so, you know, the homemade bread is really cheap too. Say if this bread cost me $1, then my bread bowl would cost me about 25 cents. My tea would be 5 cents. So I'm at 30 cents, about 30 cents. So I have to make a little bread bowl. And your homemade bread bowls are gonna be good, really good, and really cheap. And so you could put tomato soup in here, you could put chili in here, you could put anything in here. Okay, so what I want to do is, see how yummy my bread is? I just want to tear some little pieces of bread out to make my bread bowl, and then I'm going to put my turkey burger gravy in here. And then, you know, I'll probably just drop my bread pieces in there, you know, while I'm eating my gravy. That will be good. And homemade gravy is very cheap as well. This would be really good with tomato soup. Or the stew I made last night. That would be really good. Okay, so it's coming along nicely. So I made a ground turkey gravy. If you want to see exactly how I made it, scroll down. And this is very, very cheap, and I will have gravy left for tomorrow, easily. You know, when you buy these gravy bowls out, they're expensive. But when you make them at home, they're not expensive. Not expensive at all. I had 1/4 pound turkey meat, and the turkey meat was $4. So I had $1 worth of turkey meat. My peas were about 50 cents a can. So then I'll put a little cheese on there. So now let me taste this turkey bowl, and I will tell you, my bread bowl, how it is. My mouth is watering, I'll tell you that. This would be good with chili. This could happen too. So can you see how this is really cheap and really tasty? And then I'll just freeze the rest of my bread bowls, and this is bread bowl number 1. I will be making some more bread bowls. This would make some good bread and gravy. I could put some butter and honey on this part. Okay, you guys, bread bowl number 1. God bless you all.